You were beside me. It's true. I want you.
I was right here somewhere. Or maybe I could be wrong. The next song.
You can't give me any more time.
Yeah, it's there's a note saying Cyan, but when you look at it, it's just an open cage. There's nothing, nobody to click on, nothing. Nobody was there. Yeah, it's like me. I seen Cyan's name, but there was nobody there. So I was thinking maybe that's something new that's coming out. But not sure. It was like right here, see? When I last time ran past it, there was a Cyan marked right here with a cross on it. But now it's gone. Maybe it was a bug. But yeah, could have been a teaser. Could have been an Easter egg. I was like, I stayed there for a few minutes thinking, is there something I'm missing? Or what is it?
My mana is gone.
This mana's gonna be a pain fighting Dom. Alright, give it a try. But I doubt it I can. It's gonna be sketchy. I am 3 levels under. I only have 1 bleed flask. Scion in an X3, yeah.
This woman's purpose, attempt to try the word.
I didn't know. Didn't know why it was there. Ah, shit. Damn, they hurt so hard. Ouch. Alright, I have to go back, get a flask. Ah, shit. Anybody that has passed X3 had unlocked it? Alright, kinda worried about this fight. God, I hate that weave guy.
Have you ever seen the true face of God execute? Shrink not from God.
See if I can.
The light of divinity! Nightmare prevails!
Oh shit. Oh my god. I died. Holy shit. Didn't expect that, man. Oh my gosh, no. Well. That's a rip. No. Alright. Well. Called it. Rip. Jesus, man, it was going so well. I should have leveled. It was fully capped.
Die!
Oh shit. That was fully cap Riz. Oh well, man. But I had fun with that build, so I'm gonna re-level it. I'm gonna miss my bow. Alright. One more. Ah, shit. It was fully cap Riz. Like, I seriously didn't expect to die right there. Like, seriously. Oh, man.